Boss, sana need your thought. Boss, tama ba ginawa ko na ipag-break ako sa GF for the reason because of her friends? Nasulsul dati kasing may gusto yung guy sa ex-GF ko. Tsaka barkada pa nila. Kaya tuwing nag-iinuman kasama pa nila GF ko, since ship sila. Sinabihan ko na iwasan niya pakikipag-inom sa pinagseselosan ko kaso ayaw niya iwasan. Kesyo sabi wala naman daw problema dun sa kanya kasi wala siyang paki dun sa guy. It's a disrespect kasi for me. If you ask me, tama lang yung ginawa mo na hiwalayin mo siya. Bakit? Because she's not respecting your boundaries eh. There should be a healthy boundary set in every relationship we have. Whether it be sa family, sa friend, significant other, etc. And when those boundaries are broken, of course you let the other person know in a loving and caring way na, hey, you know what? I would appreciate it if you don't this or don't do that. Dapat ganon mga sigarilyo. So in your case, you've already set a healthy boundary sa kanya and told her na it's not appropriate for you na makipag-inuman doon kasama yung lalaki na may gusto sa kanya. And hindi niya sinunod. That's downright disrespectful na. Also mga sigarilyo, if you're in a relationship na, don't put yourself in a position where other people, regardless kung babae o lalaki, is gonna think that they have the green light for them to hit on you. Sa situation kasi na to mga sigarilyo, inuman yung pinag-uusapan eh. Alam naman natin lahat kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari sa mga inuman, 'di ba? So tama lang yung ginawa mo sigarilyo. She did not respect your boundaries, so you can give her the gift of missing you. Let her know that you will not tolerate this kind of behavior. Let her know that when your boundaries are violated, there will be terrible consequences after that. Kasi if she respects you and your relationship, she will not break that boundary. Kasi takot siyang mawala ka. Takot siyang mag-end yung relationship nyo. And besides, hindi naman talaga out of this world yung boundary na yun. I mean, it's just within reason din naman. And I guess all of us could agree with that. Kaya mga sigarilyo, don't tolerate this kind of behavior where you set a healthy boundary and then she just breaks it na walang consequence. Don't ever do that. Ang ending niyan is she will not respect you as a man. She will not respect your relationship. Mauulit at mauulit lang din yan in the future. Believe you me. Bakit? You're tolerating her behavior eh. What you tolerate in life, you get more of. So if you tolerate her breaking your boundaries, then guess what? She will break more of your boundaries in the future. Kasi alam niya na kahit i-break niya yung boundary mo wala namang mangyayari. Ganun lang kasimple yun mga sigarilyo. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo mga sigarilyo. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.